Yes, I am the thief. But please, call me a burglar. I am no ordinary burglar. I'm special. I specialize in locks. This is not a toy. This is my tool. Let me tell you something about locks. From big to small. Thanks to science and technology, the locks nowadays evolve. And you think you can stop me by entering your house? I don't think so. You lock your doors day and night, just thinking that you're going to be safe. No, you will never be safe. Let me show you how things work. An apple? Maybe not. This is not my thing. I enter your house. Although you may think that you have a lot of locks that will stop me, but let me tell you something. Silent mode. It doesn't matter how long it takes. If you do not know I'm here, trust me, you will never know. Even if the CCTV caught me on camera, I would be in jail by now, if you know what I mean. So you think you can catch me? Think again. What's GD Benz? What's GD Benz? Wait! GD Benz? This is something new? Oh. GD Benz.